Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am Tudo Frank from Tudo ICT Academy, and we are learning Google Sheets. We will continue from the previous video. Where we stopped in the previous class, we're going to continue from there. This is my Telegram line, and this is my WhatsApp line, and you can place a local call on any of this line to speak with me directly. So, in the previous video, we were able to get stuff like this done. Now, on this video, we're going to learn how we can import an Excel file to Google Sheets, and then we'll continue from there to run some analysis. So to import a file from Excel down here, you just need to click on File, and you click on Import. That will help us get us right here. You can actually import a file from your drive, Google Drive, but I wouldn't pick it from here. I'll come to the upload. From this upload, I click on Open, and then I locate the file. Data 5 is what I want to work on, so I click on OK as in Open. That is going to load it, and we got the file here. So I can click on Import Data to a new spreadsheet. I'm importing to a new spreadsheet. So they say Success, file has been imported. I can click on Open, and that will open the file. As you can see, we will have a new file open with different we have different sheets here. So these are analysis I did in Excel, and you see it's coming down here to Google Sheets. I would like to pick this sheet 1 where we have the empty data over here, and we're going to work on this using pivot table and pivot charts. This contain up to about 8,000 records. Let me confirm. Okay, this is 1,000 record of sales order. So how do you work on this? To work on pivot table, you go to Insert tab, and you're going to see pivot table. Then I can click on Create to create a new pivot table on a new sheet. Okay, and this automatically call it pivot table 1. Unlike Excel, in Google Sheet we have some analysis that has been suggested for us over here. So for example, they're giving us some possible data we might have to analyze. Here we are. They said, do you want the sum of profit for each country? By clicking on this button, we can get it done correctly. This is the sum of profit for each country, as you can see here. So we have the country, we have the sum of profit. If I want to make it more, I can say, okay, I would rather prefer to have sum of sales for each country. This is sum of sales for each country. Then if I want both, I can say give me both sales and profit for each country. So I have the countries here. I have the sum of sales and the sum of profit for each of the countries. So this summarizes 1,000 records, and we have it done in a simple table like this. Very easy. All right. So you can see what is happening here. If you don't like any of those things, you can just drag the ones you need to where you want to drag it to. Now this is country, and the values, under values, we have sales under values. Okay, so we have profit under values as well. So anyone you want, you can actually make it done from there. If you want to clear all, you can clear, but I would like to start with the first one. Sum of profit for each country. This is what we got. Now, how can we present this using a chart? I would like to present this on a chart. So you click inside of it, and I can close this to get space. Then let's go to Inserts, and we click on Charts. So we got this chart right here. This is the one suggested for us, and this suggests include even the grand total, which we don't want. So I would like to remove this first. and then I highlight the portion I want. Stop here on USA, insert, charts. Let's see what we got now. All right. Now that I've highlighted, we don't have that grand total coming into the charts. So this is more presentable. And you can change this from column charts to maybe a bar chart. You can do, these are the suggested charts given to us. You can pick a pie chart. You can see the pie, how the pie look like over here. The countries are being moved out. The labeling is done in percentage without us having to do anything about it. It's just done. Okay. Then I can actually change the pie to bar chart. I think I've done this already. This is a bar chart, and you could have another one like the line charts representing this. Uh-huh. You could have other form of charts like the, okay, let me take you to advanced where we have the map chart. So if I click on map chart, it's gonna present the world map to me, and the countries are being represented with the colors you're seeing. Over here is China, down here is Australia, we have Nigeria here, and we have Brazil, we have USA, we have Canada, then we have okay, the USA is from here down here, we have Canada here, and so on. So everywhere, this is UK represented. So the values, the shape of the map is based on the values we got here, as you can see. So this is amazing. I don't think you can have this in a Excel of 210, 216, except on Excel 356. Okay. Then we have this other one that is still regional. We have this chart that each country is being marked on the map, on the world map. You can see just the map. This China, this is it, and so on. So you can present this, or you can present this other one I did before. All of them look good. All of them look amazing. Okay, so that is it. That is it. That is it. You can do stuff like this, and this could represent a pivot chart, which is representing the data we have on the pivot table right here. Okay, I believe we have done so much. So the next video, we're going to continue to the next, and to the next, and to the next. Thank you very much. I am still Tudor Frank, your friend and your brother. We are learning Google Sheets, and we will continue this class in the next video. This was done by Tudor ICT Academy, where we offer professional training and solutions.